Apart from some of the sound crashes that you have mentioned, there was a DJ contest. There were two DJ contests. I think one of them was with Nicodemus and Lico Ari and Yellowman.
Yeah.
That was a national contest, or that was the one where Aces them put on?
Yeah, I run that for Aces, man.
Okay.
A business race.
Business race.
Me can't lose, and them rob me.
Yeah. I think Yellow won that. Ari came second and you came third. Oh, so on a show about Demus early then, man.
Hey, before the race start, man, them have to wait for Demus till him come. Because film turf, you know. Him come late. Everybody must do it by 9. And I know him not coming. But them have to wait for him because they want him to understand him. Father Jungle Rock. When them want to drop Father Jungle Rock, I start name out everybody. But jump a job back, you watch a pop yard. Then the DJ, you know. I say my wheel them out. Yeah, man.
Where was the location for that event?
Skateland.
Skateland, okay.
So, me say me no competition. Me say, Jingles, then you want competition, me want you put on a buckle. Or the camera there and say, put the DJ and say, me could make a song about that. Then we're going to know who I tough boy. But me know, I the man with the most score that go win. And we know no code because Scorpio play the night, you know. And me decide, say, me go win. So me say, Shuka Shine say, don't go a Scorpio tonight. Me want you just go a Skateland and me want you DJ under me, over me, beside she.
So you want to about all of the songs when they have?
Yeah, all of the regular thing, everybody, me want Shuka Shine go do it for me. I'm going to run past them now with pure original. I'm going to go there and say, no Shuka Shine.
You alone?
Me alone. So me say, what am I going to do now? When me go to some, yo, that, yes, I want to baby now. You're hard to beat baby now. That is dirt. When you lick like, you're hard to beat them, you know. Can't show them liquor.
The crowd love them, man.
Yeah, man.
That's what I love it.
You're the one I was singing no, stealing love on the side.
Oh, you clash?
Then I think you're doing it.
Stealing love on the side?
Yeah, that's it.
You don't belong to me.
Yeah, man.
I don't belong to you,
man.
but we're together.
Yeah, man.
And that's enough for me.
For DJ. That makes sense to you?
In a clash?
Yeah, I'm saying
that. And Yellow win with that?
Yeah.
But I like that. And then the next one now was...
Well, you want to hear me DJ?
Oh, yeah, DJ.
Me get one song named Guess Who Dead Out of Half a Tree, Echo Big John and Fluxy.
Oh,
for me think different. I say Guess Who Dead Out of Half a Tree, Echo Big. But this are the killing in Miami and getting one in Bob Marley too.
Yeah.
Same time. Because me the way I hear the thing. And they want to tell me something. When them say intermission, and them say intermission, so you know who I got entertainer for the intermission? I think name Lord Lara, man. How about you know that Jan is rated amongst the best? You know what I'm saying? We don't see nothing like that in the foreign press. I want him was a soldier come to Jamaica from was actually that.
Trinidad.
And him come to Jamaica and get wicked pan them and do a sign in foreign press. That time him give Michael a whole problem and him sing one song say a joke, them a joke.
Okay.
You know that when say Jamaica making among the best, we don't see nothing like that in the foreign press. But if Breeze ever blow up a woman dress, I bet it's making a headline in the foreign press. So him say, yo, like going to intermission, we don't know the Sassafrass win already, so.
He said that?
Yeah, so I could just go and go sing with thing. I tell me on. So I tell Jingles, you know, no more competition without DJ.
Yeah. But then you know do national DJ contest for that, man?
Before that.
It was before?
Before, man. Before that, man.
Okay.
Them time they was say like a young Junior Demos.
Keeble. I think a Keeble was Junior Demos' name.
Young,
Rankin Keeble. Rankin Keeble, I think that was his name.
Yeah, man. Let's see him. You know who beat me already too? Papa Biggie.
Papa Biggie.
Him do one thing then called Falkland. What my Falkland is tougher than for them one, but me not do Falkland. You see them young me win now. I'm so proud of me I go win.
Proud, okay.
Sorry, Jamaica is an island in the Caribbean. Jamaica produce a lot of champions. When we start, you tell me, oh, Sass, 4 of them are the your song, you know. But you know, so you're the original, I'm going to put you down at the bottom. Big mistake.
Big mistake. Because they look like a copy man, them.
That's what they catch me, man. Them thing plan, man. That man from Garden beat me, this one.
Who was that?
Biggie,
Yeah,
man.
okay. Oh,
They
God,
give me
God, man.
yeah, when they give me the envelope, I'm going to feel sweet. You know, because we ask for come back night and place, we just say, when I say, proud of me, Jamaican, proud of me. I mean, I say, I know what Prime Minister name is Papa Eddie.
Oh, you get a forward, that's all.
And that's what me know, because come right look at it and get $850. I'm
You get a
laugh.
food out I see me, man.
Yeah, man, when they take long to pay it.
I go back with business.
At JBC, you know. I mean, when I finish, you know, I mean, they track on one man say, don't stay at track this man, you know, Frost, come up. I'm a skull track and come stand up on the corner. I'm over there, miss one car pass. And stop and say, hey, can you tell me where's Denver Crescent? And I say, oh, down there. She said, oh, I'm looking for you. Today's the final. So I have to run go up make a Jackie shirt for me.
Yeah.
Do man,
Oh, you went as a Jackie, dressed as a Jackie.
then my style is what am I doing? I'm first all put on all them going there, we see them a man, you know.
Honestly, you said that though. Can I read someone say there's a clash with General Echo where you ride a horse going and dance?
But then a clash. Him
was a clash?
No, him the road behind me, you know.
Okay.
I do in the park with them.
Okay.
Patrick City, so I'm the pound one road. So 2 minutes I'm not name powerful them as a frost. Now go. Afraid of him. So I think one ass over pilot it step on my foot and swell it up.
Okay.
So me just ride the ass the night, barefoot go down there, you know. I'm gonna defend my thing, you know.
Yeah.
You know, somebody named Motan House. You know, them time the boy me at Patrick City, yeah man. General Echo.
It was around this time then that trees came in the picture.
General no comment, man.
General still not comment? Yeah?
For them, because you talk about Echo, you know, so General.
No, man, me just go back there so because it just come to me head. You understand? Remember so we talk about DJ contest and one of them sit there, you know. See? Because trees will then come close to when you not long before you leave.
Yeah, before. Like him come like 82.
And you left 83.
81, 82.
81, 80. So how do you remember him becoming a member of Scorpio though?
Well, we have a thing them called Thursday night, you know, in a Scorpio place. You know. We just say, we are asked, man.
Right.
We say we're going to work out. So it named Thursday night workout.
Okay.
So we don't carry the sound and take it out that Thursday night time and do what we want to do.
Okay.
So we are workout. And it becomes big thing. And man would have pass through. You know. I say come and I carry pad, I like a young paddy Anthony come.
Anthony.
So,
yeah.
So we would have come to the yard and but Sunday night now, the back road. One look at Sunday in General. And there's a trees there near me to Sunday night time.
Berger. Great Berger.
The great Berger, yeah man. So that's how we see him now.
Okay. So now go around there?
Yeah. We're going there till Sunday night time.
Okay.
I'm going to listen to General. But him have one tough lyrics them time, you know. Then get up for me, ass, get up for me. And him have the Rockstone voice, right?
Big voice.
What? But when you, the way them not call him name, forget respect name, General. No man not talk about that guy. A theme sound.
Okay.
And a General, I'm DJ. General, I boss, he look a sound there. Them name Dunbar. Where them go up to Jews and Jack and all them, you know.
Okay.
Them can't come now and introduce him to, you know, we can't pay for his sound of it. So we have him go on and we'll find out. So we find out him flaws them.
Which were what?
You know. We are going to shut him up and camp for run now, man. Because he's on the big boy thing now. Have him in the yard there, train him. So one night we go play a Cabana Spark. Right, so them time, you know, we sang a little place. I check for you once late. Yeah, some edifice right out run the place. Right. You know, slow rhythm them. Get 2 mic, game 1. Show him say, yo, a 8 bar chorus, we just draw back what the singer and sing say. You know, and then they can do a little 8 bar down the road and just come back to the chorus. And have him go and surf for the whole night, live at the dance. Near the starting gate. Apache Clan, if Apache Clan is the name, same place we are talking about it, in Gregor Park. I tell you, You see when it reach 12 o'clock now, I say run it now. And the man go do the thing, man. We press that little button, there you hear. Chuckle for me till the fence start beat. Them time when him come out, Jack have to change our Twitter, you know.
Man, lick the Twitter them.
The man powerful, man. Them at the pan poco jump to, man.
Poco jump.
I'm a carry the money, you know. But we have to put it far behind, you know. Cause boy, bad, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, because, you know, you see, the thing is, it's like we had a university them time they run Scorpio. Cause only that seat, even when me leave, it should have still have gone. You know, because you see, when me a DJ, me have two man behind me, but man never know, you know. Marvin, we call ass man.
Ass man, eh?
You see him they behind me, I want to know, and then Raymond, and I come on a Marvin. So me a pass my yard, but I see Raymond a sweep. And me say, hey, you see them two line here? And I just give him a chorus. And so by the time I go a check and come back, him bill it. And Marvin now would have come, but Marvin the ass man. And we make the ass man lyrics them together, and Marvin I said that one here for chat. That one here for the down and that one. So we put the track, and if a big race I go run, so a big the derby I run tonight. By tonight, by a evening, you have to know the lyrics for chat at the dance tonight. So the derby runs for 5 o'clock.
You have to know the result for Billy Tune.
I'm Billy Tune for chat it tonight. So we know a jacket them called Bimbo, so we have a whole heap of Bimbo Rodriguez lyrics. You know, me and Marvin, so we must come and we run the thing ourselves and the ass man thing, and so the art and everybody talk about this ass man, Sky the ass man, this ass man. So Cheese just come. So after Cheese bust, that's how we can go and place them called the same place we met in front of Thompson Pen there. And they mash it up again. And from that I just pure General Cheese here. Until him just leave when I 86 him just start go pan him
he became one of the giants in the space, man.
What they blow over there, man, the wickedest thing. Hey, me I tell you pan I give him there, none of them touch him.
Sansa, man.
Alright, you hear them talk about one dance? Where them talk about Scorpio, Cosmic Force dance?
Cosmic Force, right.
And them talk about, I don't say, a Scorpio win. I want to know the weird Scorpio tough. Friday night, Scorpio and Cosmic Force are play Old Harbor. Right? You know who them have a DJ Cosmic Force?
Bonnie General.
No. Super got early be more to know tough ways. That after the Friday night, you know?
Yeah.
You see the same tomorrow morning now when the dance done, we head to a place them Club Cancer at Westmoreland. You know who them have now? Bonnie General and Papa San. Just for me and Cheese. When Scorpio play them tonight, them sound. You ever see two sons play one time, eh? We don't know one talk about the party of the dance.
Yeah.
Them can't handle General. The General, man, are the wickedest thing, man. Are the wickedest DJ.
Sansa still.
All right, sir.
So I greatest thing ever come again.
What dear, man? Tough, man.
Lyrics was a big vice.
Yeah, man. And, you know, yeah, then Jack, at enough time, Jack have to fix him fence.
Mash down.
How the man about it and kick it in. The man wicked, man. Hey, come on. He said if you put Scorpio cool, you know so our school still living?
Right. Yeah.
We can play again because we have Echo Mine, right? We still have culturally, you know. We still have a crew with them, you know. We school them, you know.
Trees is still there.
Trees there. We have Marvin the more time pass through there. We have Barry Back. A young Barry Back there go up to the ranks there. Yeah, man, we still have and we have, you want me to tell you one two little boy our boy too? Daddy Mickey.
Mickey.
A Scorpio man them thing.
Yeah, Scorpio man.
And we still have Lady G.
Little Mickey and Daddy Mickey and Lady G, yeah.
I want to think tough see away, man. Every time we go up on the road. And we have Shelly the small ass man. Shelly Thunder. Koof. We think tough, you know. Yeah, I want to ask about them, man.
But before you migrated now, though, and before even you mentioned some dances where you on trees, because you spent a lot of your years around Black Scorpio being the lone striker.
Yeah.
Now you have another centre forward with you, a strike, trees.
Yeah, man, it's wicked, man.
Is there any other dance you can remember off the top of your head where trees was just in a different zone?
Yeah, Creation and Scorpio too.
So that you and trees were at home.
All my little band we do dance hall something.
O'Neill famous. Lecturer was probably around at the time too.
Yeah, we not see him
No,
pan
you
it.
never see you at the time. Okay.
We not see him pan it.
She's what's the time, man.
How are they, man? One thing with the general know how anything him say, you know. I told him deliver anything, you know.
Deliver, man.
Yeah, man, him hard when they deliver, man.
Deliver.
Hey, me and him used to DJ together, you know. Like for the one night, that pure combination, you know.
2 mic.
Yeah, 3 mic, and come and that carry money.
Echo carry money.
The flour, the butter, the sugar, the water, the tea, even the rice. I want here, man. How we started 3 mic.
One time.
That's what we
Greatness
did.
of Sasa. And while you do, you never recorded a lot though. You did in 1980, you did Horseman Connection album for Bonnie Lee. How you end up do that? And I think that was recorded at Tubby's and Jammys was the engineer.
Yeah.
How you end up around that, sir? A record for Bonnie. And you was a recording artist.
No, Striker Lee lived in the Patrick City, there's a Queensbury, you know.
Yeah.
But a soul expert run it.
Okay.
So his son would all listen to me. I'm going to call Bonnie and say, come listen to this DJ, you know.
Oh.
So Striker come at the dance and start following us out. And when him tell me, say, he want to record me for come. And tell him for come at Tubby's. I come pick up when him carry me go at King Tubby's now. Him make jammies, you know, him mix half. Like 3, 8 track. And that's a go around there. Because we don't know about no 8 bar or nothing for right.
Just spit
You
lyrics.
just have to spit them out, so. That's how we do it.
So that is
But that song that when him Horseman and me and Marvin write that, you know, the one when you giddy up, Horseman.
Right.
Super that. Giddy up, as I get up and check on
I
him,
think
man.
what Bonnie did eventually though, because it was pure lyrics, him spliced with some other artists.
Cornel Campbell and Johnny Clark and Linval Thompson and all the Paragons.
Paragons and stuff.
Yeah, man, a pure big artist, man. So him put me upon Delroy. I'm about trading with Delroy.
Delroy, yeah? See.
But they got really such Jamaica, you know.
All
right, you see them era there? And from them era, them me I do special. We say about do down, we do it from them time there. We do it from the album that one special for Radigan.
Okay.
And that one special for Tony Williams. Them 2 man was the 2 biggest man in England. So we do special for them and Bonnie Lee put it out in the 70s.
I think the year that it says in the research is 1980. That body of work was done still. Then now, eventually, you left 1983.
Yeah, man.
What led to you leaving the country?
Well, them time, you know, Mr. Echo dead, you know.
I think Echo was killed in September of 1980. I think.
Yeah, when General died. And when I say, wait. And me, them a come for next down. Because my thing did the PNP DJ lyrics, them, you know. I have a whole heap of them, you know. So I start fretting now, because I come on a spark and I say, a whole heap of different man are coming, man.
Okay.
So one morning, I come to 5 Street. And I say, rental come down. Come in on my face, and I say, yeah, them come for me. So I step over in the bush, and the rental turn in the bush. And I say, a big fat man just jump out.
Big John.
Big John, and just go so. Carry go far, just like that. I mean, I don't age, I have nothing at that, no age
No
paper.
birth certificate,
And,
no,
yeah, I
no
mean,
passport,
I'm
no
not
nothing.
at all. Because I never intend for going to come in, I say, come on as well. And him say, I tell him, say, I don't have none. And him say, don't worry about that. Scare me down the road and just make one. And I just go.
You went to New York.
I'm going to go to New York now. I decide, I have a job there. But full time, I don't want to leave it. And then them say, I go for Charlie. For me and Charlie move.
Okay.
And I wait for Charlie. And when the man said, go for the extension, me not get no work permit extension. So I say, no, but I go back home because I can't come back.
Okay.
That's what I stay. So Charlie just go down now and do the 2 tune them now. you're too fat. And balance diet. Because I come and cheese that you're too fat. So you have to go up and diet and Charlie do it. I don't want that to partake and I want to Charlie do it.
So that working, you know. What was the
Charlie,
music?
I'm a boy, though.
Yeah.
I'm good, yo.
You had him
Yeah,
rap
man, I'm a friend that man. What there, man? Hey, me show him something in a dance, you know.
Yeah.
Like going to dance with a Bible.
I would have loved you
With
to
a
tell me
Bible.
the things when you show him.
With a Bible. Look at that, with a Bible.
Yeah.
And we're there in the booth and we are DJ out of the Bible.
No, DJ out of the Bible.
Yeah, man, me and him a red snapper. Him do one about red snapper, man,
Right.
Sassafrass guys. But then me and him, man, a true thing, man. I go to you, me used to read Psalms, see my morning time when I wake up, you know. Because it's a spiritual youth, you know. Me and Charlie, good youth.
Hard man to find, sir.
Charlie?
Yeah.
My youth,
Hopefully
man.
one of them there. We still at search.
Yeah, man.
What was the music scene like in New York when you got there though?
Hot scene, man, because the same man them were have to leave Scotland because
At the thing?
I eat. And then we go back up and up them.
The Levan Cliffs.
Levan Cliffs and the Lowy.
Lowy
And a lot of guys so with us that come up now the thing. So at the same man we go back up on. Nicodemus. See man there. You might the man up the down.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And in your New York years, you worked about you spending time on Downbeat?
None at all.
But you work Third World, GT High Power, and Papa Mo.
No, African Love.
African Love, so 4. Oh, and you say at the same yard man them, where you and them I got 2 to 2 a yard. You buck up back.
I'm do a stint at Florida too.
You did a stint in Florida? Yeah. Which son?
Ambassador.
Oh. See, I learn, brother.
One night, me alone take about 10 of them again.
Yeah?
And me done them put an ass chain over me neck, a big chain.
People dead?
Yeah, me alone take the man. I think. Yeah, man, every time Chaka they must steal me. So first I hear where though, Chaka. My boy that you know.
Chaka?
So first I hear where down there now. Our place, they the biggest dance keep down there, 183rd.
Which song was the other song?
It don't play back it near Ragatone.
Ragatone. It don't play back?
No,
yeah?
no play back.
And you were an ambassador. How long were you in the States? Well, you went 83, and I think you... But even before you reached Toronto side, because you came back because Poco Jump album was done in Jamaica. And that was about 84, 85?
Yeah, them say you can't stay foreign. I'm boss saying you can't stay foreign and do no songs. What me I tell them say, all the things as I discover since him come to America. Me never have a passport, never have a visa upon the ganja plane. Me enter in the highest building was World Trade Center. So me start naming, give them enough.
Yeah.
And I show them say, yo.
You can't do it anyway.
Anyway, because we see it more, yes or no. So me go down. And me as a Jackton producer, I say what? Jackton producer, they tell me, well, school, they say, Jackton producer, you know. And I say, all right. You want to work next week? So me decide, say, me I go a channel one with them. So me they tell one, me hear this bad general, do. So me go in ahead and start DJ Poco jump on it, you know. The Bama Valley, you know, antenna, man. So me reach Boss Blanc. You know, some little man where hang out in the studio, we look money. You when you go studio, have love that, you know.
Yeah, man.
I tell Jack, say, yo, Jack, the man can't fire shot in a church. Because me say, yeah, so me say, Boss Blanc, you know, everybody, Boss Blanc, them say me a fire shot in the church. Me say, sir, I don't understand what I say. Only for Boss Blanc in the church. Me say, matter of fact, me not DJ this car. You think me going to leave friend come so me can Mr. Ashwa. You think me going to leave friend come so me can come tell me if you don't so no idiot. So
yeah.
Me just go ahead and leave them. Come back again, Jack, work again at RG now. We go back there, me go hear this is rhythm now.
Mad.
When me hear this is rhythm, me say, what is? Me say, Jack, this is rhythm is sweet. But one brother named Jalaid. Him DJ one song was like this, so about a big DJ. Make you slide down the gutter. But they really wait upon him. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. And then man, the original man would start going for us with tape, you know. And him tell me, say, Sass, same thing you're doing this song and it'll give you trouble. Just say one Psalms or one Bible verse on the front. So when me go there, me just say, I never to the church, I never to the Lord God, Jack protect, not more. And that's from that history. Poco jump. So when we reach half again, bus bank, so man again, narrate. So me say, you know something, how far me live, me not nothing to do, no, and just walk away. So me walk out of RG and I go down towards a stadium. Me see one big DJ, I don't ever squeeze, you know. He's an old-time DJ, see me and say, where do you hear that? Go back, go finish that. You know, say a big tune. Go back in the studio, go finish it. And me come back, when I come back, me don't put no lyrics in it. Me just tell Cheese to go, hey me. Cheese, hey me, nothing more. Number one.
Number one song.
Me just fly out before it go number one. Me fly out. So I'm like, where you coming, son? You know the truth, me say, me do one song, I'm going to trouble long there. Go and find me there Friday night, I want woman house. You the woman now.
A good place.
I always sang that they are number one at Jamaica. Boy, one song down and name Pogo. One church with one bus with some church people turn over. And then say I will be here. And the Pogo drum song no stop play. Then I will do it. Sassafrass. The one in my house, yeah. I say, what you say? I'm the biggest tune at Jamaica. I'm a fly go down.
Forward back.
I'm a fly go down, you know. And Jack I work on the tune and we say Jared Barrigi. And the song I do it, you know. Barrigi said no. One song I go. Jack a bass on him. Out of my mind, of my soul. Him said that, you know. And Jack say, hey. Him say, yeah, man. Because Poco jump now, go nowhere. Because two them not see me.
Right.
So we just go and then keep on showing at Valley Park. Valley Park. And I go do it. He said, I go so, live at Valley, the whole place flood. We move from 10 go right at 3. And from 3, boop, number one.
And you now did the album. Poco Jump album.
Yeah, we go back to Friday and Jackson, so we come down there. And we go check Byron Lee and then give you some money and we do the album.
Oh, Byron gave an advance. Oh, that now kind of put some things into context, you know. Interesting. Okay. Okay.
Byron,
So, but that was the only body of work that you did for Jack?
yeah. No, one big tune upon the album, but I tell Jack, put it out and Jack say, nah, put it out. Jack say, I'm going to use that to sell the album. Me and kill Super get and think they want to take an early bay. In them classical show, don't at the time, they will fight again, say, them no ride and shut off. Say, shut off. But that's fun, you know.
You know what fun, man.
Oh, I think the different.
So you got them.
Get an invitation from the General Chief. If you complete against the one really passy, they want Super Cat, they want the Italian, they want early beer, one really. They want to think twice when they see this Jackie can't be sitting up for my charge. No boy test me.
But
Me and Marvin write that too.
Jack said album might release upon
Jack said it does sell the album. Because it got number one too.
And probably early the Cat would then reply.
No, them Cat, no one. Cat, they do one. Because anything Cat say Nicodemus said, you know, they must say, them keeping a session before God come. They don't want Sassafrass because I will bring down and them what? Yeah, man, bongo jump, yeah, man.
To the bank, to the bank, to the edge of the bank, to the bank, to the bank, to the edge of the bank, the edge of the bank. This is where the man skank, to the where the man skank, to where the man skank in the higher rank, to where the man skank, to where the man skank, to where the man skank in the higher rank. To the bank, to the bank, to the edge of the bank, to the bank, to the bank, to the edge of the bank. As a little youth, my mama send me to school. Me being a bitch that me want on the pole. Touch it, buy me a book and a 12-inch roll up. And say Sassafrass, you better maintain your cool. Na khaki suiters and boot to match it. Every time teacher, she finds with a stick. When I school and go down in a ditch. When we play cricket, you better prepare the pitch. To the bang, to the bang, to the bang of the bang. To the bang, to the bang, to the edge of the bang. Blow, Mr. Huntsman, blow. Blow, Mr. Huntsman, blow. She blow, Mr. Huntsman, blow. Cause this is where the man skank. She with the man skank. To the bang, to the bang, to the edge of the bang. To the bang, to the bang, to to the edge of the bank. The Iron Man's gang, the Iron Man's gang, the Iron Man's gang. In a higher rank, Iron Man's gang. Like that.
The album was completed,
Yeah, man.
right? And you were, because I never know you were actually back and forth. I think I want you come and do
Nah,
everything.
man, them back and forth a DJ Scorpio, man. We are DJ Scorpio.
Okay, you're still a
We
DJ
take on what
Scorpio.
pass on, you know.
Yeah.
But me no want to call up no man in life, you know. Because we take on big, so we take on tip a tone, we take on all Emperor Faith, you know. A big great sound them, you know. Scorpio, you know, but me no come to...
Tip a tone was Big Youth sound.
Yeah, what big of them leave it long time,
okay.
Jawise have it.
Jawise. Oh, Jawise.
I want the man that will...
And John Wayne wasn't on it too, man? I never Jawise and John Wayne?
No.
No?
Them time, when we catch them the sound of them are, I know about the button, you know.
Oh, okay. Emperor Faith, you say?
Anything I sent me, we kill it, Scorpio, you know. Anything I sent me. I will run sent me.
And as I said, Scorpio. In 1985, I think, that was the first time Scorpio actually left the country. They came to the United States.
85, yeah.
85. So it was Shoka, General. Trevor was there? No. So you linked up with them?
Yeah.
First
time when I was playing now, I'm a DJ, I come, the General now, the selector gone to jail.
That a Papa school?
Yeah.
For?
Jail not carried man and them fine tool. So we have to defend that now, because we can't make my DJ flap.
So you go to
select? Yeah, me and I use them GT. There, select the song. I know all of them days, I know all I dub them at the box, because as I tell him, selector couldn't read. So he marked them. So Jack couldn't find him.
Yeah.
Because we have been set a man them, you know, because if they run a sound and the box man, they have to be a good friend teach.
Right.
You know, so...
You DJ on Black Star any time?
Black Star?
Yeah.
No, Scorpio clash against Black Star.
Okay. You were on Scorpio at the time? Or you had gone already?
No, I'm in the pan Scorpio.
You're there? Yeah. So it was...
No, when we come back.
When you come back?
We clashed down, I think, at Gemini Club.
Oh.
Winston Williams, Jack Boy, keep dancing.
The whip?
The whip.
And it was, Brokeback and Tiger?
No, I don't remember who was up there, no. You know, Brokeback there.
Okay.
No Tiger.
Not Tiger. Okay.
Tonto Irie.
Tonto Irie.
I want to make you that, you know.
Tonto. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Tonto, I want to make DJ. I my lyrics about him.
What do you mean? As a recording artist?
First time I got DJ, a teacher, him call me, him not call me Sassafrass.
Teacher?
Yeah. Tonto Irie and Boro call me teacher. Up front, that's what them man they call me. Then they know the Sassafrass stick. But you're the joke now. Tonto hate me in him life because him confess now. Him come can't lose mother's party, you know. Them no man, them have big, them have DJ thing out there, you know.
Okay.
DJ clash, you know. That's where cheese come from, that's where cheese bus from. So when them come, if you win, you get 1 year with a party.
I don't know, taste is that?
No, mother's. So the general, we carry general can't lose.
Yeah.
But that time Tonto did it. But Tonto used my lyrics and know where him go. And we never know so when Tonto up there and Barry G tell him, say, stay there, sir. You win. Right? And him feel glad now, say more August when him come from, you know. Say more go win the party. Him only the man him say, hold on there. One more man leave for come and him only him get up. Go back to August though. Nobody want hear from me the laughing alone. Hold on the Berger.
The general is in the building.
Yeah, man. Hold on the Berger. Berger go up there and murder them. That's party, you said that time him voice big.
The thing is, you know, when I got to interview Trees, he was recovering from the stroke, so it was kind of, you know, difficult.
Can you ask him some questions and him answer? I said that Sassafrass, can I be attack? I did
Sassafrass.
Yeah, but him head never too.
Yeah, as me I say, it was a little bit.
Yeah, man. Him never 100.
Yeah, man. So I guess a lot of the info. And that is why I asked you so much about Trees, because you were there in the early days, so you know, couldn't tell me some things. You understand what I say? You did some songs also some singles, Foreign Mind, and Local Body.
First song choose though. You don't release.
You never release.
Jack have it, see me.
Oh, Jack do it. You know there? They ask him.
First song choose.
First song.
So with our Jack, our chance, you want release that, I want release Poco Jump.
Oh, okay. So I told
I think me still have it, you know.
Okay.
Me and Cheese Man, Foreign Mind, and your Local Body, yeah. Who tell you about that song?
Research, man. You and Cheesy the murder she wrote as well?
Yeah, that no, and you say everybody do it though, after that.
Murder she wrote.
Alright, you're not gonna, me write it, you're not gonna. No, I'm not the Bus Rider one anymore.
Bus Rider, okay.
Yeah, Murder She Wrote, yeah.
You did a Poco Jam different from Poco Jam?
No, Poco Jump on me, man.
You did a Calypso Jam? Or a Calypso Jam?
Call it Calypso Jump.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, you see, and this is one of the things. You see, when I am preparing for an interview, you see a million different things sometimes out there, you know. So that's why I ask the question. So you guys now can clear everything up because me have it out, not me. Them have it out there.
Calypso
so you have a
Jump.
Poco Jam.
Calypso
You have a Poco Jam, you have a Calypso Jam.
Poco Jam on me. The brother name
Love Indiana do one Poco.
yeah, him do a Poco thing too. Yeah, him do a Poco thing.
I think a Poco Mania. Madeline Crow.
The youth name, you know.
Gregory Peck. That's the Central Village artist. Gregory Peck.
One night me I ride my bike past there. So the bike, you know, we're not bike rider car. So the bike I lean so the pillar car, the pillar no suck on for me. So me decided to stop a big lane and come out and look on the bike. And I say a man recognize me and say, hey DJ, where are you, sir? God, them are different people, you know, and the man say, you're good, man, but then you go down there, sir. Two going on, go DJ. Help you out there, because nobody does so hear you. And me walk, go in there. In the darkness, thick. Two sound a play. So I go stand up side of this boy named Gregory Peck. Because him no record or nothing, you know.
Right.
But a film area, so you know. So me go there to go help him. When me turn up side of the man, who you think about us?
You.
Me. I feel myself after this DJ boy. The man accused me. But one time I walk, me no leave my nice up dance man, you know. His name King Ginger Tea, you know.
Ginger Tea.
Yeah man, King Ginger Tea. So when him accused me, you know, after me go to help him to kill the sound, him go push the mic, give me a Ginger Tea, hold the mic. And say, yeah, we don't deal with dirty bungle or sayana. We deal with Heco Minot. What the police can do? One. Minivan. One. Poco job one. What? Come cross, lad. If I tell you, I turn up a big lane. I ride out behind him. Yeah, man, that's how we know that you there. We know him how bad. I want good DJ. His name Greg, but him dead early. Rest in peace.
Madeline Crowd is another single in my catalog.
No, Madeline Crowd are Paragons, you know. One of them songs that was Striker Leader.
Oh.
But yesterday I say them cut up.
Splice and... Okay.
But the other brother lead it. And John lead it.
Okay.
Because them in mash up.
Jamaica Way was another
Skengman.
Okay.
Them time we have Supercat down there, Echo Minor.
Okay.
Echo Minor down there.
Take Heed featuring Johnny Clark and so that's one of the splice
The
thing
Take
again.
Heed, no, Take Heed name diseases, Asthma scan. When you giddy up, Asthma connection.
Asthma connection. Oh, okay.
Are the same diseases, we call it assassinator in our days.
So even though you still do quite a few, because there are a lot of other songs where
but them not release at Jamaica. Striker Lee carry them go foreign. Because we do pooping contest twice.
Yeah.
We both tell them man what they do it twice, but a foreign striker carry them go.
And as I say, Yellow Man, I think Yellow Man and Fathead Operation Eradication.
I mean that too. Coming from a dance in a Patrick City. Me and my fat girl named Sweetie. Me buck up on a raiding party. But me used to say, big off go down for search me. I buy thing in the raiding party. And then call it eradication, anything they want to call it. Them call it all kind of thing. But I me write that too.
And then we start about society party
and me that
so
too
on.
again.
Countryman and so on.
Countryman. And one year they could be most busy, ugly girl with more layer, I'm not turn me on. And me that too. Me can call out a whole heap of them.
Call them, man.
And me write them up. Yeah, man, I be write them up. But 9 days on. But we never fight though.
Me realize, man. Me realize.
Me say me do it for the fun. But no, me still a write, you know.
Why not?
Yeah, me write vocals down.
Yeah, we soon get to where you're there right now, so we still have some other things to talk about. In 91, 92, you relocated from New York to Toronto.
Yeah.
What was the
So me,
situation
you know talk about my son.
with son?
Third world.
Third world. But we mentioned third world. We talk about your son when you're DJ, but I never know you want to go in a detail.
No, okay,
about third
no,
world.
no,
We
it's
talk
okay.
about third world.
Okay.
We talk about Papa Moke and we talk about
African love. All right.
African love.
I for big up third world through 90s past, you know.
Okay. Oh, so 90s possibly the link up.
Third
Third world.
Catch all the dance along. Our Galaxy Ballroom was like Skitland.
Just like a yard there.
We don't miss nothing. Same vibes will not come. Same man them.
Same vibration.
Same man them.
Yeah, and as I said that, because in that time, quite a few of the man them did I get them. Lee Van Cleef was murdered. I think some of the man them was now treating.
I think about 4 we leave, you know. Me, Carlton Livingston, Lone Ranger, Welter Nairi, Sammy Jet.
Sammy Dread.
Where did they from the earliest?
Yeah, and Sammy Dread was around Scorpio one night time, right?
Yeah, them, they
used to pass through.
Yeah, man, Philip.
Man, Philip Frey, yeah, you mentioned that. Oh, so all of the other man them drop out.
Yeah, them drop out.
Drugs, some of them,
All kind of thing.
and other things. Sad.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. What was the motivation in moving from the United States to Toronto though, to Canada?
You see him, they miss the man a drop like flea, you know. So you have a DJ with them called Mikey Jarrett, right?
Mikey Jarrett.
He was like, him teach you enough things over them are the original American DJ, you know.
I think Mikey was on Papa Moke?
Yeah, he was the man, him the pan over thing. But
Okay.
he was the original man for them. For him teach, when you come and pick you up, show you all kind of things, you know.
Yeah.
He always tell the man, say, boy, Sassafrass are the only man Mr. run from America. Because them say, everybody want to come to America.
Right.
But me run. Me leave them. In 92, after I did the
91,
Barrington Levy
92.
song, they step up in life.
Oh, it was after that. Yeah. But 92 you do that song every 2
Yeah, and then me leave and go, me not come back.
Okay, all right. So I could deal with this song and then we talk about Toronto and then we come back here. So that song, big song,
Yeah.
Step Up in Life.
Yeah.
And I think the melody is originally from Pumps and Pride, Toots and the Maytals.
Barrington Levy.
Whose idea was it to treat with that song? You
Me
wrote it?
and one bad boy named Mikey Fine.
Mike Foreigner.
Him did a marvel. When him come up with the idea. So Barrington sang it for us. You know. Barrington Levy did it for him. And we give it to Paul Love.
Just screw.
So Love and him can't go England. No, you don't both that again.
Oh, yeah?
Just slow it.
Just do it. What a big song that, man.
I might tune. But remix it now.
Okay. You alone on it?
Yeah, but I make nowadays beat on it.
Okay. And it's released?
No.
No. Plan to?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have a tenor saw too.
You have a tenor, sir? Yeah?
The last song tenor saw sing me write it. No put out. I'm going home because I see him in a problem. I'm write that game for sing. We don't do an
Going
album.
home.
I'm write that tenor. Me have Jennifer Lara too. One of our last song that was she sing. She died. You ever was
Yeah,
Jennifer?
man, I was Jennifer Lara.
Yeah, she remember Eddie Fitzroy.
Great, Eddie.
All of them, they make a LP Boneyard.
Boneyard. Sounds good.
Yeah, man, remember all of them.
To step up in life, you know, you decide to step out of US and step into Canada.
Yeah, Canada now.
And you know, you moved away from the music, really.
Go drive forklift.
9 to 5.
Yeah, fuck, I'm find out now, say, me not get no purity. So I just say forklift, you know, the easiest way. Because I don't want to end up. Because I tell you, say, all of the man them round my gone, you know, when they go up there. I tell you, say, on the Welton leave and
Ranger and Carlton.
So I just run now. You said over there now. I want to tell you, I'm going to tell you, I think enough man don't know. And you me tell that. You see the movie with them called Shatter? And we that too.
When I say we, that's what you mean?
Our lifestyle. Enough man don't know. Me I tell you that no God them don't know.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Teddy
90s
Brockshot.
posse?
No. A youth from Marvel named Teddy Brockshot. Louis no name Teddy Brockshot you know.
So Teddy Brockshot was modeled off a real life character?
Yeah, Marvel youth. Come from Tamranch, Marvel named Teddy Brockshot, right? So how we used to live when we were over there, but it kind of complicated for me to look at the way how Bob Marley's son living it. Ted should have played that. Him should have named Teddy.
Oh, so the character that was played by Kimani, that is the real Teddy Brockshot type of character.
Right.
And not Louis Rankin.
No. So no man thinks the Louis named Teddy, but we have real Teddy. I think Teddy father sing one song named Things Are Come Up to Bomb. You know, that's true the one there. Yeah, it's about enough man to know. We there Beverly, and not Nastran and Beverly, and we are go over there. If you look and step up in life, you see it Mark Williams, and Teddy, and you see Mark Teddy Brockshot. If you look on the original, step up in life, you see me have him name on it. So but enough man knows that our thing.
History class.
Yeah,
Tuesday.
And my friend write it in name Richard Epps. I'm right there. I'm moving.
Yeah.
I live in one place named Beverly and Nastra.
Everything makes sense, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
Everything makes sense, you know.
What is a holy party, you know?
Yeah, it was a holy party.
So we just leave now and say no in the night. And so we end up in Canada and just 9 to 5 it out.
9 to 5 it out.
Parkcliff.
So like you did bitter at one point in time though?
I always bitter with the band that we play music on the radio. Because when feel so we don't get no fear to something, you know.
And
that's why I'm not too like the DJ thing. One of my friend them, I'm gonna leave me yard. If Marvin good, if me in my yard, I'll ask man to come take me out and come and me not go nowhere. I Jack. Me not go nowhere, me not go nowhere again, you know. That's some I think going on. Because what we do, nobody not talk to about it. And we have yellow man. We can't go bust him and come and spark, you know.
Yeah, man, I can remember we said that yellow man was
the place they call backward. Backward the name. In a stall, upon the water, that's how we put him first. For DJ. Scorpio do it.
Yeah, really. Hungry and kill me.
The yellow man. And we talk about man, enough man come through with thing, you know. But them not talk about Scorpio. You know, them not talk about Scorpio, man. Our thing is unique, you know. We have a brother, I don't know if named Ryan McGann. Aspiring him was coming up in the politics.
Oh, no.
Big.
Sir.
So them have him have a thing when nobody now play a Scorpio, play a Skateland. And him attack the whole night. A Skateland. Dennis Brown a sing. Scorpio a play. Shot fire. After the shot fire, Dennis Brown run off of the stage. And the stage empty. You know, go hold the mic and start entertain the crowd and get big. He come out. Me know you know man talk about it.
Oh, yeah?
I Ryan McGann in the name.
Yeah, my God.
And them kill him after him leave Scorpio the same night and I go home. they got up so. Them kill him name Ryan Magan.
Oh. No,
And so Icamos get big. Some years someone talk about this and man do this and Sky. No, me I tell you, Scorpio. Dennis Brown has seen that here when the dub play, you just say, give me, I go give you, me, I go give you in a rubber. And come and say, how could I leave? When he run off of the stage and him come back, him draw, how could I leave? So before him come back, he come out, take up the mic, three my junglist, and start singing a Skateland. And then he come was born. Scorpio sound.
I believe it.
But the man not talk about Scorpio, boy. I don't know why they not talk about Scorpio. They not give Scorpio, that him OD, they not give Jack.
Yeah, but you see, when the conversation then come up, Sassafrass name of a call and General Trees name of a call, so Scorpio name still have a call.
You know.
But alright, and let me say this again, because you see OD thing, you know, as clear cut as so and Mark, you know, there are many people in the space who have contributed significantly to the music who has not been looked at. But let me explain to you the OD thing. Go. Between January and I think March or April each year. So me think Sassafrass deserve to be recognized and conferred with an order of distinction. It is on me to nominate you and submit your name. So, unlike man, where did they just look on Sassafrass? So it's a process. What many of us don't do is understand the process. You understand? Because I have issue with some people who would have been conferred with different orders down the years. Yeah? So, but just like the Grammy we cuss every year, say, them and their white man and them in a this and the Marley them must submit their album.
Yeah, me understand.
So it is the people around now, and I just saw the thing set up. Say if we think Sassafrass or Jack Scorpio or General Trees or whomever deserve, so we need to nominate and submit the nomination and then the committee look at it. So it is always easy for quarrel, but it's a process. You understand what I say?
Yeah, but I'm glad to go like how you talk. I'm glad to work that way though.
Yeah. Well,
no.
That is a next story.
Okay, there.
But there's a process. That is another story.
Yeah, all right.
For another time.
Yeah.
But we just want, take the opportunity to make people understand, say, there's a process. So while we call and say that man don't deserve that, the people them around the man feel like him deserve it and them submit it. And the committee say yes or nay. You understand? So it's a process. So whilst we make nice to the people them where, so if Arsman feel like Sassafrass deserve it, Arsman for nominate you.
Yeah, me understand.
You understand? So January 1 to I think April or May is it open and we go forward. Some old people we are watching now we feel like some people in the business will not get it. Because we still don't complain and some other people where we not think deserve it, people are submit them. And we cuss every year. So the people who we think deserve it, we need to nominate them. You understand? I just simple. Man. So, but me understand how people feel about it, don't get me wrong, Yeah, but truth be told, it's a process. And whether we like the process, it is what it is. So we need to nominate the Sassafrasses and the General Trees and the Papa Sons and the Lieutenant Stitches and the U Browns and the list goes on and on and on. You understand what I say? So we need to stop cuss and get involved. Just like with the Grammy process. We cuss every year, but we now get ourselves involved in the Grammy selection nomination. So when the Marley then get it, I tried Bob Marley last year. They were possible. But we now submit the album now we think deserve it. You understand what I say? So we can't cuss. So I think there's a very good opportunity for put that out there. It's just the nature of the beast.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
You understand? So I just saw it go. We are so far. We don't have to cover the man interview. I say go, man. I just saw the thing where I just saw it go further. Because, as I said, I interview many of the men whom I think have done significant work for the music, with the music, and deserve. You understand? But we can't just sit down and talk. We have to put some action on it. Somebody just put that out there to the people, them. People them where you respect the business. Nominate them, man, and submit the nomination them, man, and we take it from there. So you understand what I say?
Yeah, man.
So Canada, and you are still living in Canada?
Yeah, man.
You know, come back home, sir.
Yeah, when I come back home, but Canada is one of the best countries, you know.
Yeah. You look quite contented and happy and
I
comfortable.
mean, man, you know, at our age, I know health issues and we don't pay for doctor. So as a fingernail hurt, we're going to a doctor. Can't do that right now.
Yeah. Which is true.
Yeah,
You can't go, you know, go out there. It's another part of the story.
So we love our
Going is not the problem.
No, we're nice at
Yeah.
Canada.
Yeah, I'm glad for that still. I'm glad for that.
Yeah.
Zane?
Because I tell you something, I go to a lot of years I drive forklift. Shipping and receiving. And that's what I did.
You say that. And you would have managed to, you know, earn a comfortable living and out of that.
Yeah, man, I think that I stop work long time now, man. I stop work long time. I don't work again, man.
You still go on the road in terms of performing and stuff?
After, from COVID, I don't go back.
Oh, but you were going on the road before
Yeah, I go
COVID.
to Europe.
Because I know you go Europe from time to time and all over the place, you mean? And you see you're writing, but are you still recording actually?
Yeah,
Still
man.
a record?
I do a ska album.
Ska album?
And I do a mental album.
And those have been released?
No, I'm not released.
So we are waiting for releases and for that. So.
True, every time the thing changes, I don't understand it nowadays. Things.
Oh yeah, take your time.
So every time it changes.
Yeah.
Because when you say last year, vinyl out sell CD.
Vinyl like always want to sell CD.
You know, so the thing will change up, so. No.
Because the market for vinyl, especially in Europe, is great.
Yeah. But the line long forget the press.
Well, probably you need to get into pressing.
Well, yeah, I know.
And next thing, the recent works that you have released, I know you release a few things. Those things are on the digital Play Store.
Yeah.
The Spotify and them. So you get up to date with the thing then, man.
Yeah, man. But it's slow for me.
And the singles that you recorded, and well, I know the 2 albums and thing. So I guess it would be kind of redundant asking you how are things republishing and royalty because you practically tell me that already.
Yeah, man.
Nothing.
Well,
From the work that you have done in the past, all of the singles that you recorded and...
You know, sometimes, one time I go check out some things, and when we check out the things, the man them will publish the thing, them as some bandolo address. You know that? This company, but there's no company, a ghost company, you know.
So yeah, some people eat the food and work for them to do.
Right. And a lot of them in Canada too. But you can't find them. But the address is there. They're not right. A ghost.
We kind of have an idea where things set up in some places with the music, brother.
Yeah, man.
But I mean, it would be good if, you know, little by little you're able to kind of find some of the work that you have done and, you know what I mean, get ownership to it. Because I think you probably have the masters to a lot of your stuff.
No, yeah, I own my masters there, man. We have a book too, you know.
In the works are complete?
In the works, it's not complete.
Not completed.
Me and Black Scorpio.
Okay.
But Sasa journey the Black Scorpio.
Right.
Buy a book, Jack, Black Scorpio.
So,
this brother is a good art-time writer. Some reggae books him write about Mr. Vin, you know, the King Edward's an all-time sound.
right.
And him write, and this guy have name Matador.
Right.
Him have 2 books out about it.
Okay, so when we can look forward to the completion of that book though?
You know that me book I go about 15 years now. But every day something else come up.
Book the whole army.
Yeah, man. Yo, you know, so every day something else come and find something else different. Yes.
Yeah, but you have to cut it so that you have volume 1 and volume 2. You say you cut off one and then start the next volume. You understand?
But this book I mean, I tell you every day but find something else
yeah,
different.
man, but what I suggest to you is find a place and cut it volume 1. Then you start, right? Volume 2. I make volume 1 go and sell and then you work on volume 2. Yeah, so just and try to put everything in there and, you know.
Yeah, no, it's I soon time now for me start doing editing and get me thing good. But me have everything, a lot of stories will happen to us.
I can imagine.
What heap of story.
Can imagine.
Whole heap of stories.
Jamaica me born and Jamaica me grow up. Be proud of Jamaica wherever I go. Jamaica we born, Jamaica we go. We proud of Jamaica wherever we go. Jamaica is an island in the Caribbean. Jamaica produce a lot of champion. Out of many me say we are one. Say come down Kevin, come sing this song.
I finish your reason.
Oh, you know. Yeah, don't you know. Keep
History
on
part of our history.
Never tell you.
History part of our history. You know, so you show me advice. I say, you know, a lot of the ad-libs them, a lot of the slangs them, you and Trees was instrumental in creating some of the slangs that the man them take and use.
Yeah, as I tell you already, say, a DJ thing is an art. It's a when you keep a dance, sound string up, right?
Right.
And when the sound string up, and at time now before we start play, the DJ have it all for free. It's all for free. Go to pay someone have to go out and pay musical rate. Then no sound a play. Then no you have to reserve the lyrics them. That's when them come in. You can't entertain them, you know.
Yeah, but even so, you have to bring them in too.
So we say keep on coming on the dance.
Keep on coming on the dance.
And the dance ain't not start, yeah. Yeah, right? So a lot of stuff you have to learn, and you have to learn for read the invitation, right? Okay. You present the song, right? So you have to talk about the ad-lib them now. Well, yeah, me and General Chia Echo Minor. Echo, we can't leave out Echo.
Right.
We have a whole part ad-libs, you know. We have a thing when the rhythm starts and we don't know the rhythm and we want to find the key because dancehall is not really, you call me upon this, you hear the rhythm and the singer come walk up beside you and stand up. You have to give the singer the part two.
Right.
The DJ don't DJ the part two.
Singer first, then DJ.
Then the DJ is a roll, right? So when the singer walk up and you get the singer now and him done, the DJ time, sometimes is a man carry dub, come test it. They used to call it soft wax.
Soft wax? Oh.
Some man come test it up. When him come test him thing in the dance, we don't know it. So me and Cheese would go, hey, at the keyboard, man, we need harmony, and man, never know what we are doing.
Right.
But it at the key we want to find at the song. So that me and Cheese said the thing, the different in our time.
Yeah.
Right? So, when they get that far, now they say, science! You know, everybody take the science in Jamaica.
Science, okay.
They build a record that, right? Build a record that, but we say science when they pull up.
So enough man after that, when they pull up, a science I must say
science, yeah man. Science. You know. So after that they run up. Pain. Right? Then choose it. Pickaxe and pickaxe and shovel. The time about Rockstone buys.
Right. Big vice.
Well, the man buys big them time. So it's a lot of them ad libs over make.
Yeah man, and Cheese, whilst you have to science Cheese thing glory.
No, in my ideas.
Right now in a year after.
After Cheese start the glory thing.
So Pain and science.
I want the name Bushum. Which a Cheese uncle fix a bicycle wheel and him can't say bushing.
Oh, okay.
So Jim can't say bushing, him say bushing.
And Jesus
Cheese the bushum. And the next little DJ with the bunks to way very, very great to him name. Me tell you, Daddy Mickey.
Daddy Mickey and Little Mickey.
Them be the bunks just.
Yeah man, they tell me that.
Them work and everything. So if I pick up Daddy Mickey, Little Mickey, even the great color chin pan the mixer. You know, and then we have a Tools family, you know, we have a General Cheese, General Tools and Force. Then the last half, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, because it's a university we had.
So you have people that understudy and come up through the ranks.
Then we have a one thing called Culturally, you know.
Culturally.
But me didn't know, say him know, I go great. So I beg Jack Vice him.
Okay.
You know, and Jack Vice him, but him never take this singing, you know.
Serious.
No, because show me left. I'm leave everything in his hand. And say, yo, control the thing and don't leave Jack as long as you live, you know.
Oh, you gave him that directive?
Yeah, man, that's what I have him, man. They me not tell you say the thing, me have the thing planned long time, man. Me the only man don't leave my son, you know.
Right.
I know me don't leave my son, no. Every DJ run gone, you know.
Yeah.
To them DJ different sound, me never in that. Me just a Scorpio, man, from me, man. Because me build that. Me build it to have a general echo. I want to sing the name Madu. You understand? Yeah, man. That's how it thing go.
Yeah, you know, I had some experiences along the journey as well.
Oh, it's a whole heap of that, man. Sometimes Scarpio would have pack up from Friday night and we'll go up on the North Coast and we'll come back till Monday morning. Sometimes we'll visit some local place where, like Murray Mountain and them places where them say enough weed there, you know. So when we are come back, you know, we pull up the tweeter box.
Yeah.
Okay, we get weed, right?
And stuff it.
Yeah, so, but me don't smoke. Me don't smoke and drink,
You don't smoke and drink.
But me are the best weed.
But you have the best weed.
Yeah, so then we would give it and we pack up and I come in. So one morning we are coming. When we are coming, you know, see two policemen wave down the truck.
Yeah.
And everybody started trembling out, so we got out of jail because the weeds, the truck
Suck up
stink.
in that.
Yeah, man.
Right.
And the police come at the front and say, yo, where the DJ there? See DJ, I just come out and just take out a race book and give me a zebra bag with two with her.
Can you do it all? Came on
Yeah, man. Yeah, don't to be an ass, man. He say, I win him a look.
I win him a look.
Yeah, man. I was gone. But
Yeah.
one day again, I go to Stats. I got DJ, there's a first I meet a DJ named Peter Rankin. He died, rest in peace.
Okay.
So I didn't find out, I see my little cousin them, you know. So I see my little cousin them. I'm glad to see them because they move at Waterhouse. I'm going to go outside, but I'm going to start.
Yeah.
So I say, well, I don't want some drink. We could go buy some drinks. The man them say, no, them want beer. At school, you know. So I walk out on Spanish Town Road. And I go down to Maxfield Avenue and this. And we go into the first place, them say them now have no beer. When we go to the second place, I say one man come and say, hey, some man down there so want to talk to you. When I look, I say, a gang of man down there. And I say, my son come. I did that. I kill time. Them say, you want me, you not come. And I say, yes, I'm going to go down there. Them surround me. And I say, yo, look up another lane there. Two sons up, you got DJ. One, you got DJ up in there, so.
Yeah.
I say, I can't come now, because I depend on the thing. I'll change all my bike. So I can't come now. And start getting them a week.
Yeah, try to make it look like, say,
yeah,
I know you.
Yeah, I'm going, man. So, afraid of that, they don't read my them say there's someone.
Right.
And the brother say, me say one brother come up. Me never name Spongy I went one red brother was a bodyguard.
Okay.
And bad police one.
Okay.
Come out, you know. And the pan DJ. Give it out, you know.
You mean Sponge used to bodyguard, bros?
Yeah.
Bowling?
Yeah, one big but in the big and romantic.
Okay.
You know what him?
Because I have an idea who that
The man to me, you know. Give me a winner. And I say, yo. Ear scare rum. Him say, that the man them say scare away. Me say, ear scare rum. You know what go ride him? You know Banky?
You mean Bankilos?
Yeah, man, Banky.
Bounty Killer Manager.
Yeah,
Section
man.
Banky, man.
Yeah, man. I've been there, Banky.
Cause Banky did their track when they did their track.
Man, Jackie, man. Them 10 no me there chat. The men have ass a tune.
Him a go right, hear him scare him.
You can't lose, yeah. Every morning me and Banky
Paul
have the ass.
just come, man.
Me ever tell you about it. Every day, every morning me have the ass. I can't no one jump, you know.
Okay.
Nah, jump in my top of the gate. And me and Banky are sharp, you know. Because me a gate man.
Right.
And I say, can't lose. And the big red say, yo, no sir. Some estalita, the chin tell me say, female, so go win. You can't be there, say. Some of that back, what month set? How much money month set? I say, yeah, don't set your bed. He say, bed? I say, set your bed.
Can't lose.
That's a term, you know, because if you lose, you sleep and then you go right. So for me, I say, set your bed, them can't lose. You can't lose. Never tell you. Banky run with that. Yeah, policeman to me though. Set my bed. All right. Like him look at the man and say, hey Tony, go for my magazine over there. So I leave it back. And I say, brother, run over there. Back up in the lane and come out to the magazine and him just push it in the him waist and him just say, all right, DJ, I'll leave you with the man a bit up.
You left it there?
What? And the man them surround me. I don't know what them kind of man the name, but I don't know what the one DJ must come from out there them time the name. Him did one song named Soca Rumba. I don't know.
Soca Rumba.
Him come from around the tomorrow. Bad man, him did one song named Soca Rumba. I forgot that way him name.
Yeah, because that now ring a bell.
Yeah,
You
man.
probably know his song still.
Yeah,
Not
man.
probably
I fit them DJ that man. So massive. I'm massive and I'm attractive. His name Massive. Massive Dread.
Massive Dread.
Yeah, man. I feel them kind of man and the man. Say, we know man for surround them run joke with you. And I say, run joke, the man them surround me and them say, I say, boy, you know come at them place, you know. I say, me not come at them place. They may just come as a Jim Brown. Him say, yes, on your Rima. Go up there some. I say, I can't stay. I come back next dance up at the hill tonight. And then let me go. But maybe that tease them at tease me still, you know. I tease them at tease me, man. Yeah, man. You know, because then was our son come from the PNP part, you know.
Right.
So that was a problem, too.
Yeah. You did go, I think you did go one Tivoli, one dance with
No go
Jim Brown
Tivoli.
or Denham Town.
No go
For Jim Brown.
Yeah. I just the boy them said me go there so. And there's a name Rima, there's a name Denham Town. I think I go one classic dancer named Chocomolo. Scarpio play one place named Chocomolo and thing is a landmark
Okay.
for reggae music.
Which part that there?
Just don't have Denham Town.
Denham Town.
I'm play garden in the center already.
Community Center.
Wow! And them know so we sound go from the PMP part. So what we have a number one tune. Poco Jump.
Poco Jump.
And it was Eddie tune, you know.
Oh, okay, because him and something that used to part Malachi Renal Capo man.
Capo man. So the Poco Jump for them thing.
Right.
So I go down there. Me and Jack, you know. See how you them done the name Baskin.
Baskin.
So him tell us him a beg go come in, come man. We go, see as me reach here again, some man. Hey, oh DJ, you see now, come here, so. Every time they want to say that to me. We go in there, they have a DJ in the name. When I DJ used to play soccer with me, he play pan can play, we win Division 2 at Spanish Town, you know, with racing promotion, you know.
Okay.
Come on and spark, you know.
Oh, cool.
And me I play center half, eh?
Yeah, center.
Eh, for
Nobody
racing.
position that man.
Eh, for
Most
racing.
boy lace one.
Yeah, man, for racing promotion.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, but without some Tivoli man power side.
Okay.
So,
I can't tell him what they are track.
Yeah, man.
Eh.
So we win the Division 2 with them. So and them our DJ named Gassy Rankin.
Gassy Rankin.
Boy. So we should go up there and them man them start talk for them history. Very nice. I mean, they know. So me say, be careful, come flap. So me just say, live and listen town in a one thing, I mean. Mountain come, I go down here, me rain. So me run, come again. Me fi tell you. Salute. Me fi tell you what. Place
Mash up.
Scorpio mash up the place, man. When we go with them to say, anytime you leave yourself, any man mess with them and talk about you and labor, you come talk to me. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Black Scorpio, man. We go everywhere, you know.
Everywhere.
Yeah, man. Enough man come round our thing, but them not mention it. Them have to come at our yard Thursday night time. But no man.
38th Avenue.
38th Avenue. No man no mention them things there, you know. Yeah, man. That's what the thing said, but.
When you did that push out, you left culturally for run off a thing.
Run and everybody me say don't leave Jack Scorpio. Right? So you just control this. But I think him and Cheese go for about a year and two before Cheese branch off. And you still see Cheese with them, you know.
Right. But then Cheese it kinda.
Yeah, man, and then Echo Man had leave after that too. You know, but the backbone we were next youth, you know, we were journeyman, you know. Named Shuka Shine. Him would have started the thing. And then we come.
Yeah, man. Yeah, the guy didn't mention Shuka Shine earlier. Yes, culture.
But Jack have two DJ before Shuka Shine, you know.
Who were those?
My DJ named Eno sound just like you, right? You know? And
Enos?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. Him sound just like you, right? Jack DJ. And General Cheese, brother.
Blacker. Blacker.
So we call them sister fake, you know. Don't put her sister fake because she will lead it. You know what I mean? Lead it, go astray.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Cheese, brother, you know.
The Black Magic, that man?
Yeah, him see one.
See man, Black
Magic. Yeah, man. Black
So culturally, you know, because culturally kind of do some other stuff, because what is his connection with Stone Love?
After him leave Scorpio, them start the dub plate them for Stone Love, man.
Okay.
I make songs to Stone Love, man. I was an engineer. Become an engineer and then them just Ghana Church.
And Ghana Church.
Yeah, well, him still come over vibes same way.
Okay, yeah. I wonder if he's willing to talk about the mystery.
But I will check him and talk.
If father not chastise him for that, man.
No. Him still them, no still the same thing them.
Yeah, is it right? So
And him have a son, you know.
my son.
But him no play it a big son named
Big
Black. Him take piece of the Black Scorpio legacy.
Oh.
Him them Black Spider.
Black Spider.
You know, them
So
man
Black
that-
Scorpio and Black Spider.
them man
Makes
they are real-
sense.
The man they are real family, the man they are Scorpio man for life. But enough things him can do a man don't know.
Right.
You know, him can mix, him a engineer, him set the thing. You know, him write and him sing and him can DJ. So just like, so you come to my place,
Yeah.
which is Marvel, the original. You understand?
Yeah, man.
Cause cheap door from us are 10 aside, you know.
3 door front on your road.
Side of me, sir, over
Mr.
the side.
Bright.
Yeah,
Grow.
yeah,
Live.
yeah, me live right there. And then down more now, the standing base in the scatter lights. When me call them bad with him, the way I hear Eveless, him come from right down the road, so him light breathing.
Like Brevet.
Him come from right down the road.
Okay.
So the music.
Music
thing,
City, man.
yeah, that man bad, yeah man. And me also have my asses them. We have a stable one at the back here.
Run at the back here, sir. Yeah, because you said you used to do some of that around here. So, because when you show me the visor with it, I never know, so I asked the dead apart there. I
What?
just came on and spot and thing that you show me the
man,
visor
ask
already.
the over
man.
there, sir. You know what they write this though? They look at you when him. What do I'm drinking rum when name?
I'm drinking. Fambo?
No man, the engineer man, the student, what they write this there, man.
Something there with him, that man. Sean, is it?
Yeah, that's in there. 2 minutes away.
Eh,
Yeah man.
Music City, same way,
I'm
man.
goofy over there too.
And Goofy, right? Because him and Goofy link like that, yeah. And Goofy at the
And
front of the side.
and the girl that too. What's she name? The Charlton girl. What's she name?
Charlton?
Them this over there, sir.
Where else
We call over there, sir. We call over there, sir, Tree Works.
Tree Walks. Okay.
It's an ass name, innit? It's an ass. He live on the
Tree
name.
Walks. Okay.
That's why we call it Tree Works Garden.
Ah. That makes sense. That
Yeah,
makes
man.
sense.
Yeah, man.
So you still got truck?
Yeah, man. We can't leave.
You
Truck.
can't leave truck.
When we there fine, we go truck too.
Yeah?
Me and Jack, they truck where they are fine.
Which way you prefer, racing and fire and racing a yard? Which one of them you prefer go? Where do you get a better vibration when you go?
But the fine one, man.
Why? More money?
And the gambling, I go.
Oh, so you're not drinking or smoking or gamble. Big up yourself, man.
I just love to see the arses.
Oh, you love that.
To see the arses on the track. And I love the smell of the arses.
Okay.
You know. So when me dead, you can just burn me and take my ashes and sprinkle right at the
On the
furlong
track.
pole. I'm good.
You're good.
Furlong
Rest in
pole.
peace, man.
Yeah, man, I'm good, man. We say asses for life.
As it's alive.
Trees say asses for life.
Yeah. You just made mention of the fact, say, you know, gamble, you know, smoke, and you know, drink. In a year time, a lot of the men who got fame in the space kind of fall by the wayside through substance abuse.
Right.
A lot of them.
Lot of them.
And through that, you not even smoke, you smoke.
No,
I
I'm
respect
smell it.
that.
I'm smell it through the amps. I'm
smell it through the
tell.
amps.
I'm can't tell you that no good. Move from side with it.
Run them with the true, man.
Yeah, you know. We had fun them time with them, but still, you know.
Because some of the same man them, because when you went away, right? When you went to New York, some of the same man them where they link up with back then. Enough of them man they
Drop
drop
out.
out because of drug abuse.
Yeah, man,
Or that led to it.
Yeah. Mash up with the thing, man. Because when me go up, you know, we never miss no man, you know. You see,
Right,
same
okay,
scale that man. Everybody was there with us.
Because I'll take your antenna sound and link up back that side of the man.
Then the summer record, the song I play in every place, then I say for you.
Yeah,
No man
man,
no
you
say
see.
me have it. I'm last song that him sing.
You recorded the
But
last song.
me no give nobody it.
So you not release the song.
Might be not. But that's why I play it for you.
Me
I
listen,
think him
man.
mother don't know that, you know.
Yeah,
So when
yeah.
next look one board the place that you forget him too. Him name Sixy Morris. Earl Sixy
Earl
Morris.
Six.
That is Eric Monty Morris boy, you know.
Monty Morris
I
boy.
am come from Berry man. I've been when the little boy I train him, you know.
Okay.
You know what your body meant? 6.
No, I just know about your father, because I not try to interview
The
his
son there,
father.
man.
Okay.
Sing like a bird.
Yeah?
You call him 6.
During the course of the interview, I've spoken about quite a number of the artists who were around you and who you help for guide. Man like
No,
Jack Thomas.
me no help guide Jai, you know.
Yeah.
You want him now. Them time they when we leave school, me and the man wale. I think him can go Trenchtown, you know, or 7th Street or something. Because you hear the joke. We are learning trade at Kingston Industrial. You know about KIG?
Yeah, man. Him tell me, man.
Kingston Industrial Garage.
Right.
But beside KIG
Oh,
is
KIG, you can go, you never tell me the name, you know, man. Tell me say they learn trade.
Kingston Industrial
Tell
Garage.
me I think a Jaggerson did go.
No,
okay.
man.
KIG.
Right now at DNG.
Okay.
So tell like the man them go DIG go get drunk. Go over there go get drunk. Me not drink nice.
Right.
The man them gone over there though. And go and let them work so them just drink any amount and come back and work drunk. But you know KIG they inside a place them called KIA. Kingston Industrial Agency are the same company. You know?
Okay.
But them do heavy equipment. You know over there, sir? The youth them way you know they all gonna sing the same song. Israel Vibration.
Okay. The I want them to suffer from again.
Yeah, man, them the
Polio, I think a polio. Yeah.
Them do over there. They were working over there when time me and Thomas.
Okay.
So when we and Thomas are the apprentice now do body work, now what I say. Boy, you know they just go find some old fender for beat. You know? So him becomes John Holt and me becomes you, right?
Okay. So the vibration they are going by the work.
Me and Thomas.
Yeah, man.
But Thomas are the greatest name in the world, you know.
And Chroma, I think he there.
And come on, Manly.
Right.
Thomas. Him no call me Sassafrass, you know. Him call me Michael. In them him say, what Michael? All yesterday him come check me now.
Okay.
What Michael?
A general in the army that you know.
Never tell you about.
Yeah, man, a general in the
So
army.
can't go real man. Me used to run dog race, you know.
Yes,
You
sir.
never know that.
No, I don't know. A race horse, you know.
No, sir.
But
The
for
man
a
on the
race,
park.
you know, man.
Yeah, man, me no start race dog, man. And when the church I keep, man, police come, man, because the dog race, I take with the people, and I cause problem in the man by the park. So when you turn in, paying left, you see them sing up. It was a pretty flowers park, you know. One of the best, you know, in Jamaica, you know.
Okay.
With our swing song, you know, like fire, you know. Pretty something. So we should go in there Sunday daytime and dog race. Me have dog a run. Me train the dog them for race. So Jatamas, I'm going to read. I mean, 7th Street, I don't know what. But we walk go up College Street Drive, I know who do. And them give me this dog, and I name the dog Minsky. My NSKY. Me tell you, them can't beat him. As though me and Jatamas are come.
Right.
But Jatamas was promising him a good body man. No, man.
Body man.
I'm one of the best man, but he not do it now.
Hey, me know I don't do it well.
So one night me asleep in my bed. I'm here. You talk by your own and you DJ the song. Bounce by the tambourine. I say wait. But me don't know the voice eh? I Jatamas.
It's
Yes, that time me na DJ record. Because me never like record.
Sound I think.
Yeah, and me I said, this boy are bad. And me find out Jatamas. The man put out some big tune they say. More than them say, tease me. Oh, you know, say me not have your pan tape. And me, no man knows. And then me I run one time. That man, that for the last.
Jatamas' contribution to the music, legendary.
I want him write a whole big tune, man. I want him, man.
Man, bring Tristan and some holy father man.
Yeah, man.
Owen Grant, some other man.
Yeah, man. The man.
You understand?
But I end Cuba.
And cool, my man.
Manly. And Cuba
Tell
Manly.
me say they used to kill him at school with the name, man.
I want him. Then when they carried the man did the brother was train with the name Ballad. We are training him, love him, don't call him name, the same name the man want to call. And
Powerful,
Cuba.
man.
Yeah, man.
Powerful, man. Powerful.
Come on, man. Come check me yesterday and tease me, you know.
Lord say we bad out a yarn, so we bad out a brother. When we come a dance, we just mix the lyrics harder. Bad out a yarn and we bad out a brother. Holy boy want come with jock. Me say pull it from the top. Me select and make it drop. Make we play this one more time from the top. Hiya!
And looking back at the journey though, where do you assess it? Is there anything you'd approach differently than how you have done it in this time? along the journey?
Me never have no problem in my time, you know.
No problem.
Because many times me DJ without money. And it was no problem for me. Me and Jack will go work, and anything you work, the promoter don't pay you. You drive go country and the promoter don't pay you. And we never war. We would keep our dance and the man take all the money. We used to keep the money in our beer box. And that the money keep it there, you know.
Yeah.
The man them take it away. Me and the dance I go and the man them take all the money. So when the dance done, when there's no money for nobody. And we have to load up a truck and come leave that black Scorpio. Enough things we go through.
And you guys
And we
made a lot
still
of sacrifice and struggles to kind of pave the way and set the thing.
Yeah, man, and lift up box and all them things there. One time I go to country and a man say, me see man the pan. But me never know what that in them days. And the man the pan. But the wire we are plugging the amps that come from far, you know. We have a place called Murray Mountain, you know. So the wire come from far to come to the sun. So when the voltage drop,
Right.
so the sun at leak out. See the man there? Hey DJ, make sure that working as you kill off Royal Dad, as you kill the ass. Him say we kill the ass there, Royal Dad.
Right.
So that's how we kill the sound. So we want music before we done, you know. And check, you know. But Screw was a madman. He man was a man for the cutlass and the amp, you know. You know, the man said, make sure you have music, you know, in the night time, tomorrow morning. You see next night, me no go back, you know. Shook a shake that long.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I would have put them things I go through, man.
Whole heap of experiences, good and bad.
Yeah, man.
And as we say, you are one of the men who, you know, with sacrifice and sweat and tears, help build the thing for the people who came after.
Yeah, man.
And we appreciate that, man.
Respect,
in our
man.
real life, man. And I hope the book finish.
My book
Part
open.
1, volume 1, and then we read that and you write volume 2.
Yeah, we think
you
of
understand?
it.
And the Mentor album when you work on and the Ska album, releasing so we can have some music for listener, man.
Yeah, man.
You know what I think of?
Yeah, man. Yeah, them things,
And it's good to see you. I know you say you did a medical procedure recently, but outside of that you seem very strong and
Yeah, man.
hearty.
Yeah, man, I'm a good man.
I'm glad for that. Because I know you're a big man.
Yeah, man.
We know you're a big man.
Yeah,
and we
man.
appreciate the opportunity to sit down and, I know it's a lot more, you know. You understand? And this would take probably a full day. But
Yeah, man.
we appreciate what we get. And it's a joy to sit down in your presence knowing that you would have done so much. I guess some of it is out there. I guess some people, because I've learned so much sitting right here so tonight, some people learn some of the things that you have done and some of the people you have helped to come through the sound system and in the space. And we respect and appreciate the man's work and contribution to the music.
Yeah, man.
In real life, man. Great man.
Every time, man.
One of the giants in the space, man.
Yeah, man. Respect,
One of the man where take him sound as a one man and rub out some whole heap of people, man.
Yeah, man.
Great this man.
Yeah, man.
Man,
We have a big up.
Lord Sassafrass.
We have a big up to Jack, too, you know. Like the man them.
Me a dying for Father Jack, we're ready when you're ready.
Yeah, man. We have some man with the one time Bagabron come to me and say, hey, Frost, you know. Because I want to give a thing named the unsung hero, you know.
Right.
You have a lot of man in the background where you guys don't hear about, you know.
Right. So we are trying to find some of the people.
We have one named Old Lad.
Oh Lord.
Old DJ to nobody not have.
You had him there?
I'm supposed to about the place, but him used to be a Skateland. But in there,
Well, you can't, so the people them what you think deserve for them story be told, send the number them come give me Father Sassafrass.
we have next Danny Jed too. We have next Danny Jed, you know.
Different from Reverend Danny Jed.
Yeah, me and
I think he was on Black Star
Yeah, and Jaro.
and Jaro.
Yeah.
For the people them out there, the promoters and the sound men especially, who want dub plate, how them reach there?
No, me not do that plate.
You not do dub plate? None at all? Eh?
No.
What make?
No, we don't do
They just not do. And you tell me say you want to first man of the special sir?
Yeah, well, me not
Eh? But you have some money out in the street, man. But I mean that is your choice and I respect that still. You understand? But for the promoter them, who don't know if you find you, how them find you?
They man up on the internet, man. It's the whole part of Sassafrass, man.
Yeah, and they're able to locate it here.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
I Canada, man. I don't leave my valley, you know. I never leave my valley. Never yet.
Yeah.
I for a place when I leave my valley, at all, you know.
Big up yourself, great one.
Every time, man.
And, you know.
Every time, yeah, you forgot to teach them, you know. First, you have to teach them, because them say no story. Them say no story, my one, a truth.
Truth. We appreciate
They
that.
want to tell the truth, you know.
We
So they say,
appreciate that.
go look for teach them, go look for teach them, go look for teach them, you know. Because your name, I call everybody.
And big up to the people them we out there do that, and I make the artists them, you know say we can't sit in and me appreciate the ones them because you see I only said Father Sassafrass on the side. So we give thanks. Big up on yourself. Great one.
Yeah, man.
It's an honor. And anytime you feel like you want to talk some more things,
Yeah,
call
man.
me phone, man.
Yeah,
We're there, man. We're there.
Yeah, man.
And I look forward to you releasing the things them, sir.
Yeah,
So
man.
the mentor, the scare, and the book.
Yeah, man.
That must be a very good read. I would spend my money and buy it and read it.
Respect, man. Yeah, man. Every time. Every time.
Choo hoo, bang diddle 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 hoo hoo. Hey hey, choo hoo, hey. Talking about the cyclist, that's the moped. Talking about the horses just instead. Horses and the chocolate, one of them a thoroughbred. Cause in the satin get that's where my horses led. Follow with me look musically cool and red. Whipping on me and the helmet for me head. Million them for me gal because me in a waterbed. 4 leg gallop with a gallop 4 leg. 4 leg gallop with a gallop 4 leg. The blind must be led, the hungry must be fed. Me a balik brother by the name of dead. Black Scorpio when the place come to run the place red. Yes, no Sassafrass, me know that you want to get reg. 4 leg a gallop make we gallop 4 leg. 4 leg gallop make we gallop 4 leg. The gallop when me love, she respect the track. Look how she slim, look how the ass man fat. Look how she run, look how the ass man black. Come in a me house every day 3 o'clock. Get begin it. Why did you put your no pump in me mat? When we come a dance, Scorpio I get hot. Jump up a Scorpio, you know a red black. We better than them, Scorpio, we better than them. We better than them, Scorpio, we better than them. Better than them, better than them, better than them. Scorpio, better than them, better than them, better than them. In the dance we have to jump and prance. Scorpio we do something dangerous. Pull up on a girl because we want romance. Chance is a chance in a Scorpio dance. Big elbow and young barefoot pants. Yes, no Sassafrass, you know a Scorpio dance. Out the road and in the dance and chance a chance and chance a chance. So we come out like a